Well, they are train horns that should have been silenced in Wauwatosa. But now residents are sounding off. The city's trying to figure out why they're getting dozens of complaints. New at 6, WISN 12 News' Hillary Mintz tells us why city officials are just as confused as residents.
We worked hard to get this quiet zone established last year.
Wauwatosa City Attorney Alan Kestner is starting to wonder if that hard work of making safety improvements at 5 crossings along State Street was a waste.
It seemed that this year, particularly as spring came around and people started opening their windows, that people started hearing more and more train horns again, and we're starting to ask questions.
Questions like these from Catherine Myler, who hears horns about twice a day.
I don't know if certain engineers are just worried about accidents and hitting the horns, or if they're just not following the rules.
Complaints started coming into City Hall by the dozen, so this week they launched this post on their website urging residents to keep track of the horns, data that'll then be passed along to Canadian Pacific. The Canadian Pacific spokesman tells 12 News they'll be investigating the situation, but ultimately says safety trumps city law.
If there is a situation of a potential safety concern on the tracks or at a crossing, our crews will sound their whistles, even in quiet zones, in the name of public safety.
The sounds actually have diminished.
While we were talking to Tammy Scholler at her house, a train went by with no horn. She says she can live with the sound if it means keeping everyone safe. In Wauwatosa, Hillary Mintz, WISN 12 News.
The city has now submitted a formal complaint with the railroad company.